What is up, everybody? An exciting day for me. I'm getting some stuff for pressure washing going on. So yeah, baby, about to make some money with this shit. Got the old GX390 with a Comet direct drive pump, 5.5 gallons per minute, so we're getting somewhere in the commercial range. This is kind of my first pressure washer, so a lot of people say this is kind of upper for a beginner. A lot of people start with a 4 gallons per minute, but yeah, we're about to put all this stuff on this trailer. And yeah, I'm just trying to keep everything off the truck. I know bleach can get a little hectic when it comes to rust and corrosion, so I'm not really trying to risk degrading the value of my truck when I could slap it on a $400 trailer. But yeah, man, I got most of this stuff from Northern Tool. I think I'm about $2,500 in, and yeah, this is about to be a pretty sweet setup, if you ask me. Hopefully I can make my money back within a year. Who knows? We'll find out. Hopefully I make triple my money. And yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna start building this setup and rocking with it.